So I'll be showing you how you can display the full screen album art on the lock screen of your iPhone. Now I'm currently using the iPhone 14, but you can use this for, you can do this for any iPhone running at least iOS 16. So what you need to do is go to either Spotify or Apple Music and then play the song you want to play. So let's, for instance, play this song, okay? So with the song playing, obviously I've muted the volume. You can now go back to the lock screen. And if you tap on it, you can actually see, maybe it's like that. And when you want to see the full screen album art, all you have to do is tap on the album art icon. Just tap on it once, and that's going to display for you in full screen on your lock screen. Okay, so from now on the lock screen, you'll be seeing the full screen album art of the song that's playing. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.